friends, welcome to Aman Specialty Kitchen. Today I am going to make cauliflower Manchurian. It's Indo-Chinese cuisine, sweet and sour taste, and I'll make it in a very easy way which will save your time, and also it taste won't be compromised. So I have taken one cauliflower and cut it into small pieces, and I am steaming it for 5 minutes. Just put in the boiling water and keep it for 5 minutes, and after steaming I have drained it, and then I'll make instead of frying it I will be baking it, so that way it will be more healthier. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in it, and also I'll put red chili, and then a little salt in this, and then mix it up. This one I'll put it in the oven and just sprinkle little olive oil, and then I will put the oven at 400 degree Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes, and it would be easier and faster, and just for 20 minutes. And now I will make the gravy for the Manchurian, and for that I'll take half a ladle of olive oil, and then add 2 tablespoons of garlic, and then we will saute it. And then add little onion. I put in the onion little vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and also I'm adding ginger, 2 tablespoons, to make the gravy of the Manchurian, and green chili, 1 green chili is good enough, and then stir fry it. Add a little celery in that. It enhances the taste of the Manchurian gravy. And then I will add some sauces. I will add red chili, 1 teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon of green chili, mix it up. And then I will add little soya sauce. 2 tablespoons are good enough for the gravy. And then just saute it. I'll add little cumin powder and a little coriander powder, and then stir fry it. Add 2 cups of water to make the gravy, and you can see how much thick consistency you need. It's very watery right now, so we will thicken it. And also I will add tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Mix it up. Little black pepper, and then we have to make it little thick, and I'll add cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. I mixed in the water, and then added the cornstarch in the gravy. So this will help in thickening the gravy, and give it a nice boil for 2 minutes, and then add spring onion in the end, and the gravy is ready. Now we will make rice noodles. Boil the water first, and then put the rice noodles in this, and just put it for 5 minutes, and then turn off the heat. The rice noodles are get done very fast, so it doesn't consume much of your time. You just have to drain the water, and that's it. And the rice noodles is ready. See, in 5 minutes. Cauliflower is ready after 20 minutes. And see how nicely it is done. It's looking so pretty. And then we will add cauliflower into the gravy. So see, you don't have to fry it. It's very healthy when you bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. And the cornstarch I put in this, it's nicely done. And now I put the cauliflower into the gravy, and you can mix it up, and we will eat it with the rice noodles. You can also eat it with fried rice, or soft dinner rolls, or with bread. It's really very delicious.